If you're an Indian American in Texas and if you are on an H1B work visa in the US, a common question that I get from that particular group is, should I do a will or should I do a trust? Like, what the kind of estate plan should I set up? Now, there's an important caveat here, which is that I'm not an immigration attorney. I'm an estate planning attorney. So, these are my thoughts from estate planning standpoint, right? Definitely talk to your immigration lawyer as well. So here are my thoughts. In the unlikely situation that you have to move back to India, then if you just have a simple will-based plan, what's going to happen is, should something happen to you, you have assets in the US which you do want to liquidate, then your kids will have to kind of fly back to the US. They will have to engage a lawyer in Texas or any other state that you own property in, and that lawyer will have to go through the probate process, which could be lengthy, it could be expensive, it could be time consuming, it could be public. So there are a couple of downsides to a will, which is that you have to go through the probate process, and if your kids are not even physically in the country, they will have to kind of fly back into the US just to get the assets transferred in their name. On the other hand, if you have a revocable living trust, everything is much more smoother. Things are completed in a matter of weeks, not matter of months, and you may be able to get away with not having to fly down to the US to ensure that the assets are properly passed down to your kids. So between a will-based plan and a trust-based plan for an H1B visa holder, I would lean towards a trust-based plan.